Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
As you are editing images, there will come times when you will make a mistake or simply don't like a change you've made. The undo command is an easy way to trace your steps backwards. Pressing the Ctrl+Z keys on your computer will undo your last command. If you continue pressing those buttons, you will keep undoing your last few commands in reverse order. Alternatively, you can select Edit, Undo from the menu bar. You can redo something you've undone by selecting Edit, Redo from the menu bar, or by pressing Ctrl+Y on your keyboard. You can also use the Undo and Redo buttons that appear within the taskbar. Elements keeps track of the changes you make to your images step by step. You can view the History panel that stores these steps if it isn't displayed by selecting Window, History from the menu bar. In the History panel, you can click on any of the steps that are shown to revert the image back to where the image was at the selected step in the editing process. By default, the History panel stores your last 50 steps. You can change this number up to 1000 by selecting Edit, Preferences, Performance from the menu bar to open the Performance tab of the Preferences dialog box. Change the number of history states to your desired level using the drop-down or entering an amount into the adjacent field and clicking the OK button. Keep in mind that the more steps you store in your History panel, the more memory is required by Elements. It's also important to note that once you close a file on which you are working, all its editing history disappears.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.